Hi, my name is Steve Rath, owner, broker and realtor with Better Homes Realty in Granite Bay, representing buyers, sellers, and investors for over 30 years. Frank Lloyd Wright design. This home is a hidden gem. Original owner is a car/racing enthusiast, as evidenced by huge garages, carports and workshop areas. Want a place for your cars, trucks and toys? This can't be beat. Want an architecturally beautiful, hard-to-find home? This is a WOW home. Need or like total privacy? This is 6.9 acre, end of the lane in the woods seclusion. Looking for an ideal place to grow? Umhmmm, it's all that. This one hits on all cylinders.